A very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how to make the perfect drop donuts in the comfort of your home. This recipe makes 113 donuts, so trust me to bring you nothing but the best, and the taste is amazing. Sit back, relax, and then enjoy if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. In a bowl, I'll start by breaking some eggs, and for this recipe I'll be using 9 eggs, or I used 9 eggs. We are making a big batch of the drop donuts, that's why the eggs are many, so don't panic. All ingredients used to be listed, so do check. And if you're new to this channel, a very warm welcome to you. When I'm done, I'll whisk for a minute before adding some drops of vanilla extract, followed by a cup of sugar. If the sugar is too small for you, please feel free to add more. Afterwards, I added some evaporated milk, and I used 2 cups for the start. So it's better to add in batches and get the right texture you want. When you are done, you just mix everything to combine. Now I added some orange zest for extra flavor, and you can actually omit that and it's okay. So I used 1 orange, and when I'm done, I'll just whisk to combine before adding 2 cups of melted butter. When I'm done, I'll just whisk again and set aside so I can proceed to the next stage. So in a different bowl, I'll add 6 1/4 cups of plain flour. Yes, 6 1/4 cups of plain flour, and I'll add a tablespoon of nutmeg and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'll mix everything before adding a pinch of salt. Mix again, and when I'm done, I'll gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredient, and as I'm adding, I'll be stirring slowly until everything goes in. You can as well use a mixer or a stand mixer so you don't stress yourself. If you're still here and watching, then I guess you're enjoying this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe, and follow me on all socials at Up Close with Abna. I truly appreciate your love and support. So as I'm mixing, you can see it's very thick, and that's where the milk comes in. So I'll slowly add a 1/4 cup of milk, and I'll mix everything before adding an extra 1/4 cup of milk. So after mixing, this is the consistency I want. You can add more liquid if you want, but you need to be careful at this stage. I'll be showing you how to drop your donut. There are so many ways of doing it. You just pick what works best for you. And as we fry the donut, I'll also show you a beginner friendly way to fry or drop the donut in the oil. In the next stage, I preheated my pot or pan before adding some oil, and then since we are deep frying, we need as much oil as you can think of. If you're a beginner and then you don't know how to drop the nut, you just get yourself a measuring spoon, and then you pour just a little amount of oil aside. So you just dip the spoon in the oil before you scoop and then add it to the hot oil. I hope that's very clear and then easy to follow. You can do it, just make sure the oil is very hot before adding the donut, and once you add your donut, your gas should be on medium heat. So this is the outcome after frying first batch. It's so easy. Please try this donut this Christmas, and trust me, you won't regret it. I actually made this for a birthday party, and they finished everything and even asked for more. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. I truly appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. Just look at the outcome, and they all enjoyed it. Like I said, this recipe makes 113 donuts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking time to watch. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.